So I had actually mapped out all the different technologies that we had in procurement at Roche. And I was just looking at it, I remember thinking, this is a complex world to navigate. It's very difficult to understand where to start, where to finish. And if I would struggle to know, you bet that an end user would. And this really needs to come together at this point, functionally, but in the context of the map I was drawing up, visually we need to draw a circle around that in order to make more sense to our business users that we serve. That for me is the purpose and the intent of orchestration.
So we follow a best of both strategy. So that means we have an underlying core procurement suite that we now complement with different solutions to either bring more efficiencies or enlighten the customer through better user experience. But it creates a landscape that is rather complex. It's not a one solution landscape, and orchestration intake can basically tie it all together. But then create that one landing page, and from there you as a user don't have to think about where to go and what to do where. We can get rid of all of the trainings and etc. that we have been bringing forward before. We work with a lot of startups, and chemistry is certainly a key component that we look into. Sudhir, Alita and the wider team just bring also a lot of procurement expertise, domain expertise, so we don't have to educate them on the actual problem that we're trying to solve and the value add that we want to bring to the business. They have a lot of that. They have been living in this space for long. They know what to tackle and how to tackle it. And that was a key differentiator to some of the other solutions that we looked at.
We're also in an area where I feel we're breaking grounds. So it's a new type of technology. We're bringing together a lot of very complex problems. Tackling that with an organization that wouldn't be a good match would make it even more difficult. Yeah, we certainly enjoy working with them.